Hi again. So this is going to be Krea Part 2. I just want to show you the other things that Krea allows you to do. Again, if you have a free account, you have so much usage of any of these different things that you'd like to try. And this is using Flux here, which is awesome. And I just created, with this prompt here, this image. And as you can see, only issue is that DeepSeek was misspelled. But this would be a lot easier to fix than the previous video on Krea. But one thing you can do is you can hit vary, and it'll give you other options. Okay. None of them are perfect. But that's just what I wanted to show you. As you can see there, it gives you a nice variety when you hit retry. Another thing which is kind of cool, and that is you can add styles. And for this particular case, I probably don't want a style, but I'm just going to try one out to show you. Let's go with this. All right, and I'm just going to put it at like 50%. All right, see what happens. Generate again. Okay, that's interesting. All right, what happens if we do 100%? Okay, so I can see a little bit here of like the advertisement look of it, for sure. But I don't really want that for this case. So, however, Krea also allows you to upload your own image, which is what I'm going to do in this case. All right. So let's say let's go with like 73%. All right. So still problems with the fonts or with the typography, as you can see. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what's possible. And I've been playing around quite a bit. Let's try this one here. Oh, so you have to get rid of the previous image. All right, and so let's do, again, about 75%. See what happens. All right, again, this looks pretty easy to fix. I can get rid of this here. I can just change this to an E. Experiencing issues, everything else is spelled correctly. So I like that. I'm going to hit vary just to see what happens. All right, so even in the vary, still misspell. For whatever reason, they don't like just to spell DeepSeek correctly. But that's all right. Again, this is a pretty simple fix. So I'm going to actually download this one. And then I'm going to upload it here to show you guys. All right. And again, this might not work. For whatever reason, an A looks so much like an E that I'm having trouble with it replacing it. But I'm just going to try it out to see what happens. but it wouldn't be too much trouble for me to take this into Photopea, which is actually what I use because it's free. And then I can just replace that. Oh, okay, so it gave me an O, so not what I wanted, but it did actually change it, so that's cool. Alright, now it's giving me a little letter C. I don't want that either. Alright, so it's not working. That's okay, we're going to give up on that one, and I can fix that, like I said, in another program. Alright, so let's try placing this. Oh, and I just now realized that I left this here. That was a mistake, but it's okay. Overall, Krea is a really great software or program, and I highly recommend it. It offers a lot of different things. I haven't even shown you the enhance yet, which is upscaling, and I really like it quite a bit. And again, you can use it for free just to try it out, or if you have no plans to use it for commercial purposes. Alright, look at that. It removed it. That's awesome. So I'm going to save this for myself. And again, if you would like to get an actual plan that does allow for commercial license, the basic plan, if you're paying monthly, starts at $10 and then goes up from there. So that's just one thing to consider, and hope this was helpful.